Today's Ashtami, so happy Ashtami to all of you. I really miss my home a lot today. Of course, I miss those delicious sweets that my mom makes for the Ashtami fast. So I decided to try them out myself and they turned out amazing. You must definitely try them yourself too. These are Amaranth Laddoos known as Ramdana Laddu in Bihar. The recipe is quite simple, but it's important to follow the steps carefully. First, dry roast the amaranth seeds over medium heat until they puff and turn a light golden color. Make sure to stir continuously to prevent them from burning. Once roasted, remove them from the heat and let them cool. If the pan isn't hot enough when you add the seeds, they won't puff properly, as you can see in the video. So keep an eye on the temperature. If you roast properly, look how light and fluffy they become after roasting. You could even snack on them like popcorn. Now take another pan, add water and jaggery. You can use less water than I did. It took me a bit longer to reach the desired consistency because I added too much water. Look how beautifully and bubbly this mixture will look. This is the consistency that you really need. Once the jaggery melts, mix it with the roasted amaranth seeds. Be careful, this mixture is very hot, so use a spoon to combine them instead of your hands. I ended up burning my fingers, so be very careful with this mixture. After mixing, allow the mixture to cool slightly, but it should still be warm enough to handle. Once mixed, grease your palms with a little ghee, then take small portions of the mixture and shape them into round laddus. Amazing homemade amaranth laddu is ready. You can either enjoy it with milk or you can snack it like this.